Hi, today is June 24th, 2009. This morning I heard this chirping egg. Let's see. And then it's been about 20 minutes. But before that he was trying hard as well. I'm trying to record this process. What a miraculous process. Okay, this is my finger. This is how small this egg is. It's a cockatiel egg. Oh my goodness. Wow. Hi baby, hi baby. Well, I look at the nestbox and I could have sworn I heard chick chirping. However, I look at the 5 eggs. I just couldn't see which chick was chirping. So I figure it's probably buried by its parents. I went through the entire nest box and there is a heavy pile of shaving, so I went through the shaving as well, and I couldn't find where the chirp came from. And then I finally found one of the eggs has the pecking mark around the circle, like in the upper area. I waited about 20 minutes. I brought it in. I had to attend other birds back into cage, and then when I came out he already opened quite a bit. That's about 1 minute. This is a cockatiel egg. Again, the size. This is my finger. Oh my goodness. Wow, congratulations, baby. My goodness. Congratulations. Wow. Good job. Go, baby, go. I wish I could help. Wow. This looks like the sack. Or that's the potty. Wow. Congratulations, baby.